million years. Now, in this video presentation, I am going to be showing you how to bank $1,000 to $2,000 in the forex market within the next 30 days by leveraging on an automated proven system. Now, here is some good news that I have for you. The good news is this. Now, first off, people just like you have used this very same automated proven system to make loads of money for themselves. Not just that, but also pro traders who were struggling to make a single profit withdrawal have also used this same automated proven system and made a fortune. Here is what I am saying. Have a look at these testimonials now. First off, you can see that this person over here is having an awesome week. Why? Because he made over $150 in profit alone. Over here, you see someone that was able to withdraw $60, and you have someone here that in the last 6 weeks was able to make almost $300 in profit, and he's saying thank you for all that you do. Now, isn't that amazing? But there is more. Hold on. There is more. Now, you can see that over here, someone was coming back from work, and he saw that in just 1 week alone, he had made up to 63 USD. That is $63. And not just that, but you can see someone over here who is celebrating that he has collected small thing for the weekend though, and he has made the profit withdrawal of $51. And in fact, someone who signed up on the 28th of November, between November and December alone, he was able to make a profit of over $100. Guys, this is absolutely crazy and amazing. See, if I continue to show you testimonials, to be honest, we are not going to live here at all. So let me just stop here for now. But I have a question for you, right? Now, can you see how this can change your finances for good? These kind of results you are seeing, the kind of testimonials that you just saw, is what I am here to help you achieve. If only you will pay attention and grab everything that I'll be saying to the end of this webinar. All right. Now, before I unveil this automated proven system to you, let's have a little overview of what the forex industry is all about. So, what is forex trading? Now, the global foreign exchange, also known as forex or FX, represents the platform by which currency from one country can be exchanged to another country's currency. So the value of currency around the world constantly fluctuates depending on a lot of factors. And it will either go up or come down depending on the economic stability of the country that issues them. However, please note that it is the fluctuations in price of these currencies that present you with the opportunity to make money. Now, also see that the foreign exchange or forex market is the largest financial market in the world. It is even larger than the stock market with a daily volume of $6.6 trillion. That is absolutely crazy. Now, before we talk about what the system is all about, it is very important that we establish who is this auto profit system meant for. Right? This system is meant for you if you are a busy 9-to-5 fellow with little or no time to spare, but you need an extra income to supplement your peanut salary. Or maybe you are a busy mom with a heck load of responsibility, but you need a way to make an income without much time input. Or you could even be a student with loads of schoolwork and no spare time, but you know that you need an extra income. Or maybe you are even a businessman looking for a way to get passive income that will not need so much input from you. Now, if you fall into any of these categories that I just mentioned, follow me. I have something very special for you. Now, I am going to be introducing the auto profit system. What is the auto profit system? The auto profit system is an automated forex trading scalper that uses advanced AI technology to analyze the market and makes huge profits for you. The auto profit system is what our subscribers have used to make tons of money for themselves on autopilot without having to sit with the chart 24 hours a day. In fact, they don't even need to lift a single finger to press buy or sell before they make profits. Now, have a look at what some of our subscribers are saying about this system. You can see here that someone here made a withdrawal of over 111,000 naira. And over here, we see someone who has been able to make a profit of over 100,000 naira. And because of this, he was able to get medications for his mother and also offset and settle his bills. Now, mind you, do note that all these profits were made by our subscribers without any of them having to lift a single finger. Crazy, right? See, I am 100% sure that you might have come across several different robots that promise to give you heaven and earth, but at the end of the day, you only ended up blowing your accounts. See, I can relate with your plight. But what makes the auto profit system different? First, the auto profit system is proven to be the only profitable trading algorithm which completely automates your trading and makes daily profits for you in the forex market. Not just that, but the auto profit system does not rely on uncertain retail-based strategies or unsafe gambling tactics to trade like other bots in the market. And also, it uses mathematical and statistical method that focuses on high accuracy and low drawdown, which then accumulates in steady growth that compounds over time. And do note that it does not take trades during high impact news sessions. Now, can you see how simple and straightforward it is? You don't need to learn about technical and fundamental analysis. You don't need to analyze the market yourself. In fact, with zero knowledge, you can make life-changing money for yourself from the forex market by leveraging the auto profit system. Now, here is how the auto profit system helps you. First off, it has a 24/7 auto trading, which means that it analyzes the market and takes profitable trades even when you are sleeping. Also, it helps you to eliminate human emotion, as human emotion is why 80% of traders lose money in the forex market, and it requires little to no effort or attention. Just get it installed and go about your daily activities while the bot handles the trade using time-tested strategies. However, that is not all, because the auto profit system has also proven to generate you minimum of 40 to 60% of your trading capital monthly. See, calm down. Wait, let's do that calculation together. Now, let's say that on your $500 account, you could only make a profit of 10% every week. That is about $50 every single week. Now, in 4 active trading weeks, that would mean that you would have made $200. And with the current exchange rate in Nigeria of 1,330 naira to $1, $200 would give you 266,000 naira in a month. Now, tell me this. What would an extra 266,000 naira do for you in this Tinubu's economy? See, let me show you how some persons in this Tinubu's economy are enjoying. Have a look at this. You can see here that someone made in just one day 60,000 naira in this very same economy that you are in. And in fact, very recently, someone in this same economy was able to withdraw over 500,000 naira. Now, what if all the auto profit system could make you is just an extra 150,000 naira in a month? Would it be worth it? Now, what if the auto profit system could only help you to make your first ever 1 million naira within the next 4 months? Would it be worth it? See, if you answered yes to any of the questions I just asked, then you definitely know that your best bet is to jump on this auto profit system offer. Now, I know that you probably have a question in your mind that, how do I get access to the auto profit scapular system? There are only 3 simple steps to follow. Step 1, subscribe to the auto profit system for a monthly subscription. The auto profit system will then be connected within 5 minutes while you get regular support and upgrade. The next step is that once your subscription is confirmed, our unique link will be sent to you to create your very own trading account with our recommended broker that works best with the system. And finally, fund your trading account with your capital. However, please note that the auto profit system only works best with a minimum capital of $250. That means $250 and above for the capital for maximum efficiency. Now, here is another question for you. With a system that is guaranteed to make you almost 300,000 naira on a monthly basis without you having to lift a finger, and it does not need your attention, tell me, how much do you think this should worth? I know that in your mind you have probably stated some amount. However, for me, I tag this as priceless because it is going to keep on making me money on autopilot without me having to lift a single finger. However, that does not mean that you'll be paying $1,000 for this life-changing system. Not even $500, because we want a lot of people to be part of this opportunity. $250 a month. No now, haba. Let the poor breathe, I beg. You're not even going to be paying $100. Now, for the cost of this bot, we have two packages, namely the silver and the gold package. Now, for the silver package, you can see here that it actually works best with a capital of $250 and above. That is a minimum of $250. And the subscription fee for the silver package is $38 a month. Now, for the gold package, it works best with $500 capital as minimum or an above. So that's a minimum of $500 capital. And the subscription fee for the gold package is $50 a month. Now, I know that at this point, you're probably asking, oh, why do I have to pay monthly? Why can't it just be a one-time payment? Now, first off, I need you to note that we are going to be taking care of the system upgrade, the cost of maintenance, the security, AI certification, as well as the server fee. And besides that, when you have made your first subscription, your subsequent subscription won't be a challenge, because you can easily make that amount in just 2 days. So to subscribe to the auto profit system today, reach out to the person that sent you this video presentation and request for the payment link. You can also subscribe via bank transfer if you are in Nigeria. Just simply request for the account details and it will be sent to you. But please note that the subscription fee for the two packages will not remain at $38 and $50 respectively. Make sure that you take action and subscribe with immediate effect, as it is going to be increasing to $75 and $99 anytime soon. So take action now, and cheers to your financial freedom. Don't forget to join our Telegram challenge, and I cannot wait to see you as one of the millionaires benefiting from this auto profit system. Cheers, guys.